Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox. First of all, open the Spotify application. Once you are inside Spotify, you will see the home screen which contains various music recommendations, playlists and albums based on your listening habits. Look for the song you want to play, tap on it to play it. Once your music is playing, the next step is to navigate back to your device home screen. Don't worry, the music will keep playing in the background as long as you don't close the Spotify application. You will notice that even after going to the home screen, the music continues to play. Spotify is designed to function in the background, allowing you to multitask between different apps. Here you can see the music being played. Next step is to open the Roblox application and choose the game you want to play. After you have selected the game, tap on it and wait for it to load. Once the game has started, you can see the music is still being played in the background without any interruption. And this is how you can listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox.